after partying in San Juan, we met up with my dad and Tim in Ometepe. We hiked the volcano and just rode around motorbikes the whole island. We just finished hiking Volcan Concepción on Ometepe Island. It was a total around 12 miles and 8-hour hike. It was a pretty rough hike, but it's all's pretty well. Made it to the top.
To the top.
How you feeling after the hike?
Tired? No. But good.
How's Durkee feel after the hike?
Exhausted. Ready for a nap. It was good though.
Today's Dirk's last day. What are we gonna do?
Dance all day, ride some motorbikes around Ometepe, and then have rum for breakfast and get on a plane at 2 a.m. Fly to Florida, and then start work on Monday. Cheers.